Hello and welcome to training on how to access the open house sign-in screen. To begin, log into your IQ office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your office administrator and they can help you with that. Then go to the listings icon on the left-hand side of the screen and down to the open house tab. This opens your open house dashboard. From here, click on the actions button next to the open house that you would like to access. Go to sign-in page to have the sign-in page open. This will open a screen where clients can sign into your open house. If they enter their name, email address, and phone number, you will automatically get a lead that they have registered. They also get the option after they've registered to text or email this property to them if they put in their cell phone and their email. Once they're done, click Finish and it takes you back to the main sign-in screen. This has been training on how to access the open house sign-in screen through IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter and we hope you make it a great day.